How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I want to give you a quick update because there are some important things happening in the crypto market. I'll probably do another follow-up video later today on some other stuff happening in crypto, but there's a lot going on as soon as the market's pretty much opening here. First of all, crypto's pretty much been unchanging, but there are some things happening behind the scenes, some good things, some bad things, which we'll go through. If you don't mind, though, hit subscribe, turn on that bell notification. Also, if you want to trade crypto, you can check out the link down below the video to BITGET, where you can sign up and get up to $8,000 worth of sign-up bonuses. They actually just had Adam Devine as well added, so definitely check that out underneath the video. Now, crypto, like I said, hasn't been moving in price much, but this is just kind of the calm before the storm, in my opinion. The percentage of Bitcoin supply held by long-term holders just crossed 75%. A lot of people just holding for the next bull run, a lot of strong hands, not too many people that really want to sell. Unless we have some big capitulation event or something really negative comes out, I imagine that most people are just going to continue to hold until we see more liquidity in the system, until we see another nation adopt, until we see another large company adopt, or until the spot ETF is approved. And speaking about large countries adopting, Argentina's pro-Bitcoin presidential candidate is now the leading candidate. Argentina's economy is 20x bigger than El Salvador's. So this candidate has 32% of the vote so far. And if you don't remember him, he recently, this is from like a year ago, he appeared on national television where he beat a model of a central bank like a piñata, indicating his views on conventional economics. Earlier this year, he said Bitcoin could eliminate the central bank. So this makes sense that someone's angry about the way that things have been going in Argentina. The CPI had grown month on month since April 2022 and currently stands at 104.3%. Like I said, this is from a while ago. This is back from not a year ago, but from July 13. So just a few months ago. Kind of crazy. This is how bad it's gotten there. But he's trying to change it. He's trying to bring Bitcoin to the masses there. So I think that is good news. And then I want to give this update. This is really, I think, why I wanted to make the video today. I've been seeing a lot of misinformation recently on Twitter. I don't know if it's just for views or something. I liked it so that way I could find it later. But I've been seeing this, and this isn't as bad as the next thing I'll show you. But former SEC insider John Stark says if a Republican is elected in 2024, Gary Gensler will most likely resign and be replaced by crypto mom Hester Pierce. Now, we've seen information like this come out in the past, and then it was denied by the SEC or Gary Gensler. I don't know if this is right, but after what I saw right before this, it makes me think that this probably isn't right. But again, you just have to be careful whenever there's news like this. Typically isn't anything. But this is what really worried me. Amazon releases paper confirming partnership with Ripple and the use for XRP for payment transactions. Reserve Bank of New Zealand is having discussions with Ripple about developing a CBDC on XRP Ledger. And there are a bunch of articles like this from other countries too, talking about how they're going to use it. And it just seems like a lot of misinformation right now. There are a lot of pieces of news coming out about XRP all at the same time from large companies, from different countries. And while I do like XRP, I don't think all this is correct by any means. And it seems just like someone's trying to pump up the price or trying to spread misinformation. I'm not exactly sure why, but I'd just be careful out there because this is very unlikely that all this is happening within the same 1 hour period. All these different Twitter pages release misinformation on XRP, and it was happening like over a few minutes. You can see 18 hours ago, that kind of thing. So just be careful. And last thing I want to remind you of, I said this in yesterday's video, there's a $133 million dump of sand tokens, 16.2% of the circulating supply. This is at a seed price of 0.0036, and the current price is 0.4. So they had 100x, probably going to sell off. Of course, some of this might be baked into the price, so just be careful out there. Make sure that you know about these dumps if you're investing in smaller cryptocurrencies, because it would be the worst to buy it and then a week later have a huge dump, especially in a market like this where no one's really buying up dips, right? No one's really buying much at all. It's just kind of staying at a consistent price. But let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Hit subscribe.